Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can send high-quality photos in Telegram application. Please, friends, put your likes under the video, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So let us get started with you, friends. And please open the Telegram app. Then select absolutely any correspondence where you would like to send a photo. And I'm going to show you how you can send high-quality photos. They will not look like mine, but a little bit different. And to do that, you're gonna have to click on this paperclip next to the message line. Next, folks, you're gonna have to choose the photos to send. Absolutely any photos you choose, and note that so you can choose a large number of photos. I've selected 3. You can choose only one photo and, let's say, a few dozen or 100, it doesn't matter at all. Now friends, before you click send, you need to click on this 3-dot sign and select send as file here. As you can see, the photos are now being sent as a file. What does that do for you? When a person receives the photos as a file and opens them, this way their quality is not lost or compressed, the quality of the photo. This is the way, friends, you can quickly and easily send higher quality photos in the Telegram app. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes under the video, write comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.